Hey guys, Vinay here. Just came out for a quick spin as it's been raining all day here in Bangalore. So yes guys, just want to talk about two modifications I've done on the bike. One was the mud flap, which was done, and it seems to be serving well in terms of going in the slush or water and not really getting directly onto the engine or to my feet. That's going well. And apart from that guys, many of you had asked me how are the mirrors what come on the bike, right? So when it comes to these mirrors guys, they're really short in terms of the stem. The stalks are really short, so when you sit on the bike and when you ride, so you can see your shoulder here. This much part of the mirror is covered by your shoulders, so this particular portion is virtually rendering useless. So the modification what I've done here is I've got these blind spot mirrors, and this comes with a 3M tape behind so that it really sticks well, and it also comes with a swivel. As you see, it's got a swivel here. You can put it in, it goes 360 degrees, and you can put it the way you want. So guys, this is going to be a game changer in terms of enhancing the visibility on the road. So let's take a quick ride and see how it works. So really, yeah, I could really see this guy who came behind me very clearly, which I'm not sure if I would have seen if my shoulders were covering this portion. So that way, yes guys, definitely recommending this to anybody in any automobile, for example bike, car or whatever. So I think this is something must have in terms of improving your visibility towards seeing what's at the back. So yeah, so where I got these question. So I got this is available on Amazon, and I'll be posting the link in the description section. These are from a brand called IPOP, and it comes with a 3M adhesive sticker behind, and the quality is pretty decent guys. So in Amazon I think it retails at about 300 rupees, but I suggest you check with your local automobile accessory store, and you can buy it from there. It's available there as well, and the best thing is it's much cheaper there. So you get it for about 180 to 200 rupees only, exactly the same thing. And it will also be a help to our small time retailers in terms of helping them on sales. So yes guys, so this is something which I wanted to talk about today, and then let me know your thoughts and in the comment section, and I really look forward to it. And that's about it guys, signing off for now. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.